all about working for the detection, the cause, the treatment and the prevention of breast cancer. Now we have something very special for you tonight. A one-off couture dress. It is absolutely stunning, handmade specially by one of Melbourne's most in-demand designers.
How amazing is it?
It's beautiful. The whole town hall looks absolutely spectacular. It's all lit up and it's beautiful.
Atmosphere is great, having a ball, having a ball. It's a pleasure, pleasure. I guess from our perspective, from JC Gretsch, it's a joy being able to give back in this manner. So we gave a beautiful, gorgeous couture red gown that Geordie modelled earlier for us. And she's wearing one of our wonderful creations this evening as well.
By helping the foundation, you're helping our researchers make that goal of no deaths by 2030. Now, the work in the past has helped me, and the work being done now will help the generations to come.